So days like today are fantastic to be able to talk to your neighbour about what they're doing in their space and what sort of technologies they're utilising, but also then having the AgTech providers here on site so that you can ask any technical questions and get all your answers basically to all the questions that you're after.
So there's a lot of different things that I've seen today that I hadn't necessarily known were available or that were commercially available, I guess you'd say. So it's nice to see some things in action and some really interesting use case examples of them.
It's obviously customer interaction. So meeting with growers, talking about what solutions could fit their purpose, and obviously showcasing how it works and getting the growers hands-on with the technology, which is a really key part in agriculture, as it's obviously a large investment for technology. So as much information as we can give the growers as possible is really key for them to be making the decisions and bringing the most efficient technology to their growing operation.
Well, not only is it an opportunity with an event like today to draw our members, our grape growers and winemakers together, but it's also fantastic to see people from other regions around the state, taking advantage of having a workshop in our region and visiting. And I think the real benefit of that to our growers is that we hear different points of view, different experiences from region to region, which helps us all get a better understanding and ideas for the future.
It's just a fantastic opportunity to be involved with Wine Australia and be involved with our peers from the district and outside the district. It's just always enjoyable.
So AgTech really for me is about precision viticulture. So it's about looking at your management decisions and how you can incorporate some of those technologies to make things a bit more efficient and so that you can better utilise your time elsewhere, because we've all got a lot of different management decisions that we're making every day. So if we can be utilising technology that's providing us data to make more informed decisions, that's certainly going to help.
It's not the panacea, it's not the silver bullet, but it's, if you integrate it in with your cultural changes that you can do in the vineyards, then we can use them as tools that will help us promote those cultural changes in the vineyard, the ways we manage the vineyards sustainably, and really trying to build that resilience of the vineyards as well in face of a changing climate as well.
The world of technology today is all about being open-minded, as it's sometimes when you hear about things, it's like, is that really how it works? And then when you come to see it and get your hands on it, it's like, okay, this is real, this is bringing us efficiencies, and it can save us money and help us to be more sustainable, as well as reducing the economic burden that current practices have on the agricultural industry. Well,
without the AgTech program, it would have been unlikely for us to have had much brought onto the site. So it's been a huge advantage, because without the program, we probably wouldn't have been involved. Certainly not in the degree that we have, and had an opportunity to look at such a range of technology. So it's been everything for us participating.